The verb ser, or to be, in past tense will be yo fui. Yo fui, for I was. Tú fuiste, you were. Él fue, or ella fue, for he was or she was. Nosotros fuimos, for we were. Vosotros fuisteis, for you were, plural. Fuisteis, fuisteis, 2 syllables. Ustedes fueron, again, for you, plural, right? Spain and Latin America. Ellos fueron, they were. So again, see how the conjugation for ustedes and ellos is identical, right? Always. So here you can add whatever. They were, whatever you want to add. For example, they were friends. Ellos fueron amigos. Okay? So then you can end the word with whatever you want. And the sentence with any predicate you want. So the future tense I taught you before is like this. Remember, I told you you have the subject, right? Plus verb ir, or verb to go, conjugated, right? Conjugated. Plus a, that means to, and plus verb in infinitive. Okay? Right? So we have the subject, yo or I, then verb to go, voy, conjugated, then a, that means to, and the verb, here in this case, verb to be. Okay? Yo voy a ser means I will be, or I am going to be. Okay? Yo voy a ser. Tú vas a ser. You will be. Él va a ser, or ella va a ser. He will be, or she will be, or he is going to be, as you wish. Nosotros vamos a ser. Nosotros vamos a ser. We will be. Vosotros vais a ser. You, plural. You will be. Ustedes van a ser. You will be, plural again. And ellos van a ser. They will be. Okay? Again, see how these two are identical in the conjugation, okay? Van a ser and van a ser. However, these two are synonyms, vosotros and ustedes. Again, vosotros is what they use in Spain, ustedes is how they speak in Latin America. And this structure works for building any verb into future, right? So for example, if you want to use into future the verb to run, okay, we can say yo voy a correr. Correr is a verb to run in infinitive, right? Correr. Tú vas a correr. Él va a correr, right? So we just replace this verb in infinitive with whatever verb in infinitive we want to say in the future tense, okay, in the future. So this is the other way of building the future in Spanish, right? this one means that you have to learn the conjugation for every verb and for every person, right? That's why you can actually cope, you can deal with this one when you want to speak in Spanish, but I will also show you this. Yo seré, I will be. Tú serás, you will be. Él será, or ella será, for he will be or she will be. Nosotros seremos, vosotros seréis, ustedes serán, ellos serán. Okay? This is the conjugation of the verb ser into the future. Okay? So I will show you some sentences with these conjugations, right? I will show you some sentences using the verb to be in present, past and future in our next lesson, okay? And then we will continue with some other very important verbs in Spanish. I want at least to teach you how to conjugate in present, past and future the most essential verbs of the Spanish language, and those I need you to really memorize them, right, so we can use them in the future. And these verbs will be ser and estar, which correspond to the verb to be in English, haber and tener, which correspond to the verb to have in English. The verb tener also means to have, right? So you can see how important it is. And some other few verbs that will be quite important if that you learn them. Okay, so I see you next class.